I got a train and booked a hotel in Liverpool just so I could pick up the iPhone 17 Pro. Now you're probably thinking, why did you travel to Liverpool to pick up the phone instead of just picking it up from Manchester? Because the cosmic orange colour is sold out all over the country. So I had to travel all the way to Liverpool to make sure that we could actually pick it up. So it means that we're staying here. Vlog time! We've just arrived in the beautiful city of Liverpool. Just off the train now. We're walking straight to our hotel, dropping stuff off, and then hitting the town. These are the ends. And the hotel's just there, I think. What's your expectations of the room?
Iffy.
To give context, this room is 41. Yeah, 41 quid.
Hello, 6.
You've got to pay tourist tax of £2.40.
Yeah, no, that includes that. Yeah. What is it? What? 40 quid?
Jeez, not bad at all.
Nice.
It's actually quite spacious.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
Big mirror.
Oh, look at the view as well. We've got a view of Radio Tower. Hello.
So we've got in. Well, Alex has a regime where he has to unpack his whole bag every time.
Yeah, because I need to know what I've got. Like outfit choices.
So we've just landed, dropping our stuff off, and then we need to make sure that we've got fed and get a little spot where we can do some work. So it's either going to be downstairs in the little lounge area, or we'll have to go and find a cafe where we can like chill out. 'Cause we're off, hitting town! Alex has just been telling me that this area is
Northern Quarter, Liverpool.
So we're going to go to a cafe that's been recommended to us by our favourite cafe owner, and it's called Mother Espresso. Is this place? They do coffee and wine.
So annoying.
We've just been to an independent burger shop. Never seen one of these before. I've got mine, but it's taken like 30 minutes for it to come. So we're just actually questioning whether or not Alex has ever arrived in order.
It's really good.
So we're just sharing this with him. It is huge. This is the size of my hand. Just had a nice bit of dinner. At a Korean place. I'll attach the vids. It was a bit of a weird one because we had the meal. My meal came after about like half an hour, 35 minutes, and then Alex's came 5 minutes after, and it was like cold.
Yeah, I tried to send it back, but then she did literally just put it in the microwave. But it was really nice. I actually really liked it. It was good.
It's very good.
Filling.
It was a really nice amount as well. It was like satiating, but not like we didn't feel sick afterwards.
Oh, Jack
One of the things I'm looking forward to is tomorrow, when I get the new phone, the battery life is actually going to be good, because at the moment we're waiting while my phone charges, and I'm only on the 14 Pro, so it's not even like it's a super old phone. Whereas Alex, he's on the 13 mini, so he's had to charge it 4 times today.
Oh, you did it?
Yeah, split the G. We were just coming for one. So we had a Guinness with this way down, and then
The Whitechapel Road.
And then look, we just got these. I got a left long because I flipping love them, and it's the only place you can ever get them for less than like £10. Then Alex has got another Guinness because he's basic. And then we're gonna go there. Just hired some British pool. It's a really cool place. We've just come to the Jacaranda. I know, so yeah. Bad. So we've finally... What?
You're shouting. So we finally, Vlogmas Day 1, in it. We finally...
We've realised that there's a Tesco's at the end of our road. So our hotel is here, and there's a Tesco's just around the corner over there.
I'm not drunk. Excuse me, please, anybody got a lighter?
We get to Tesco's, we bang on the doors and we say, please can I have a pot noodle?
Like, please, let me in, please. And they're like, beep off.
Just woken up and we've got sorted to find out that for some reason I put my bag and my jacket there. You can see all here, loads of damp spots, no idea what it's from, and it's soaked the bottom side of my bag and that. Alex has got the juice. It might be a bit of a chilly afternoon, morning, or it's an excuse to...
You can wear my jacket if you want.
It's an excuse to buy a jacket.
We have just left after our breakfast.
Free.
To go, yeah, free, because all of Ruben's stuff got soaked.
Anyway, we're gonna go and find a cafe. Look, view in-store pickup instructions. I can't hold this very steady. Look. We've just been to John Lewis to drop off a package of coal.
That's so exciting.
It's a new phone over there. Oh, should have got it here instead.
Oh wait, there's the competitor, Samsung.
It's a collection kit. I'm a bit nervous. Right, chat, do I get one of these?
Stop recording. That's so cool. Crazy how different the colours are. That's mad.
There you go.
It's so funny.
Just left the hotel, got my jacket back, it's been washed, which is very nice. The one problem with setting up my phone, I now don't have any SIM access because basically we did it in a cafe with no Wi-Fi or anything proper, and so it failed. It failed midway through, and so it locked my iPhone 14 out of the SIM, but didn't transfer it to my 17 properly, and so I've got no SIM. So I'm gonna have to contact EE and they'll send me like some QR code or something. Made it on time.